So, hello guys, hello. Today I'm going to be talking about the reality of Forex trading, how to deal with losses, and how I actually handle my losing scenarios. So, today something really weird happened in the market today. Actually, this week has been really bad week for me trading. I've experienced multiple losses. I think I've taken like 4 trades, and all of them have been losses. I took Euro USD buy on a Monday, not on a Monday, Tuesday, sorry, yesterday. I took again another Euro USD buy setup. I took another Audi USD buy as well, and then today I took another Euro USD buy. But all are not just respecting. So this was my analysis. I understand that we had a bounce here, first touch, which formed our first touch. Then we had another bounce there, which formed our second touch. Then at the bottom, okay, this was like 1 2 3, but we can have multiple bounces to the upside as long as we have bounces on that particular trend line. So to the downside, I took this as my first touch. Then initially yesterday, this was my second touch there. I had assumed that was my second touch. Then I was expecting to see the market push above because I had this trend line here. Then it seemed something like a breakout for me, so I didn't even think twice. As soon as I saw that setup, it's a setup that I trade a lot of the time. So as soon as we had this bullish candlestick close above this zone here, I executed a buy trade and I sent the signal as well to my Telegram channel. So we went into some big profits. I think we had our TP1 somewhere there. It hit TP1, but then it reversed hard towards the stop loss. Good thing was that time I had actually executed not executed, but I had adjusted my stop loss to break even. So the running trades that were remaining, it actually got them out at break even. Then I saw another buy setup again yesterday. So I think I had something like this. I took this to also be another breakout. Then when the market was still coming, I saw these lows. So I obviously knew that it will come to retest maybe this high there because it had broken this high here. So I was expecting that once it retests this high, it will buy. So I executed the trades as soon as the price reached here. But then again, I blame myself because I didn't wait for confirmations. So it ended up taking me out. So that was the Euro USD buy trade that took my loss yesterday. My stop loss was somewhere about here. It ended up taking me out. So again today, I saw this setup. I treated this as my second touch because it gave me all the reasons to believe it was a second touch. So here I had this first touch here, second touch here. Then I knew that this was the third touch. Yes, I knew that this was the third touch right here. So my trend line was something like that, and then this was like this. So I was expecting the market to go breakout. So this was a higher probability trade for me because even you see the candlesticks it had formed here at the supporting trend line, and then it gave me a very strong bullish candlestick. So at the open of the next candlestick, I knew that those were buys, so I executed. I sent the signals. At that particular time, this zone was not there for me. I was using this zone here. So as soon as we were above this zone, I knew that we would obviously retest a bit, then continue to the upside breakout, then go all the way for the 90% rule of this wedge pattern. But that was not the case. You see, the market just chose to reverse hard on me, guys. So my stop loss was just about there, and then the market went up some about 12 pips or so. Then it reversed, it took me out my stop loss. So I ended up taking a loss of about 220 USD on this particular trade. Obviously it's painful, but as a trader you have to understand that losses are part of the game and they're inevitable. No strategy is 100% right. So I'm just choosing to step away for some time, just rebuild my psychology, refocus, and then I'll see how everything goes. So far, this is what the market did. It dropped hard. I had this 15-minute pattern. You see, right here, I had seen that this was some sort of resistance that had been broken out, and then the market was obviously buying it. Had retested. This pattern is what I normally call a 3-bar reversal pattern. So I executed somewhere about there, sent the signals to my members. Then we went above. Obviously, I knew that we were still gonna go up, but then this candlestick opened with a gap here and then took me out. I think my stop loss was somewhere there where I showed you on the H4. So my stop loss was somewhere about here, and I had executed about 6 trades with a 0.15 lot. But that is it. That's the market, and we just have to enjoy the process. We have to take the wins, we also have to take the losses and appreciate that being a trader is not easy. So shout out to all the traders striving to make it. One day it's going to be our turn, man.